Welcome to Employment and Education News.
Engineer post vacancy in Damodar Valley Corporation. Eligibility degree in mechanical, electrical, civil, IT, electronics and telecommunication, electronics and instrumentation engineering with GATE 2022 score. Age limit maximum 29 years. Apply from 6 April 2022. 75 probationary officer post vacancy in ECGC Limited. Eligibility graduation. Age limit between 21 to 30 years. Last date for application 20 April 2022. Bengal Engineer Group and Center Roorkee vacancy for lower division clerk, storekeeper, cook, MTS, Laskar, washerman. Amendments in the employment news published on 12 March 2022. Eligibility 10th, 12th. Age limit between 18 to 25 years. Application procedure applying. Application should reach the office on or before 20 April 2022. Headquarters 101 Shillong vacancy for steno grade 2 and multitasking staff. Eligibility 10th, 12th. Age limit between 18 to 25 years. Application procedure offline. Application should reach the office on or before 1 May 2022. Central Institute of Petrochemicals Engineering and Technology admission course for Diploma in Plastic Mold Technology, Diploma in Plastic Technology, Postgraduate Diploma in Plastic Processing and Testing, Post Diploma in Plastic Mold Design with CAD/CAM. Eligibility 10th for Diploma in Plastic Mold Technology and Diploma in Plastic Technology. 3-year degree in Science for Postgraduate Diploma in Plastic Processing and Testing. Diploma in Mechanical, Plastic, Polymer, Tool, Production, Mechatronics, Automobile, Industrial, Instrumentation Engineering for Post Diploma in Plastic Mold Design with CAD/CAM. Last date for application 5 June. Executive post vacancy in National Thermal Power Corporation Limited. Eligibility degree in electrical, mechanical, electronics, instrumentation engineering with experience. Age limit maximum 35 years. Last date for application 8 April 2022. Application fees 300 for general, EWS, OBC and no fee for SC, ST, PWBD, ex-serviceman candidate. 22 scientist post vacancy in CSIR National Institute of Oceanography. Eligibility PhD submitted in any branch of science or engineering on a topic related to physical oceanography. Age limit maximum 32 years. Last date for application 30 April 2022 and hard copy of the application should reach the office on or before 16 May 2022. Salary as per pay level 11. 80 Junior Engineer 1 Deputy General Manager post vacancy in NBCC India Limited. Eligibility Diploma in Civil Engineering, Electrical Engineering, Degree in Civil Engineering for Deputy General Manager. Age limit maximum 28 years. Selection procedure written test for Junior Engineer and personal interview for Deputy General Manager. Last date for application 14 April 2022. Application fees are as 500 for Junior Engineer. 104 Rifleman Riflewoman post vacancy in Office of the Director General Assam Rifles Shillong under Sports quota. Eligibility 10th. Sports discipline football, boxing, rowing, archery, cross country, athletics, polo. Age limit between 18 to 28 years. Last date for application 30 April 2022. Application fees 100 for general and OBC candidate. 21 Group C post vacancy in Railway Recruitment Cell, Northeastern Railway under Sports quota. Sports discipline cricket, kabaddi, basketball, hockey, volleyball, handball, wrestling, athletics, weightlifting. Eligibility 12th graduation. Age limit between 18 to 25 years as on 1st July 2022. Last date for application 25 April 2022. Application fees 500 and 250 for SC, ST, PWD, ex-servicemen, women, minorities and EBC candidate. Indian Air Force vacancy for Group C civilian post cook, carpenter, multitasking staff, housekeeping staff. Eligibility 10th. Age limit between 18 to 25 years. Application procedure offline. Application should reach the office on or before 25 April 2022. Salary as per pay level 1 and 2. Thanks for watching. till the end.